My name's Jacob Castro. I'm in year 12. Woodwork, I'm making an entertainment cabinet because the TV cabinet at the moment is too small and the TV can't fit. I'm using like a Jarrow veneer, so it's kind of like the look of Jarrow but not the price. Gonna have like a few doors on it, a drawer. So yeah, but hopefully it's gonna turn out well.
I'm Tom McGrath. I'm doing woodwork and I'm making a raised bar table. Parents want somewhere to hold their drinks while they're watching the sunset at our house. So yeah, I thought it was a good idea. On the front, I will be doing a CNC router, engraving and filling it in with epoxy resin and making it look fancy.
Hi, I'm Isaiah Ciccarelli. I'm making a Jarrow desk because at home, right now, I don't have anywhere to study. So in the future, I'll be able to use this to do my study on. I'm using Jarrow because it's hard wearing and I like the colour and it's locally sourced from Western Australia, and I'm looking for it to be passed out from generations on, and I know they will cherish it. I'll possibly put an engraving on with the CNC router to make it look nice and give that extra personal touch. And yeah, that's about it.